Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
So given this and being asked this question right here, that give the location of these cities as an ordered pair, and it should be in the form XY, right? This is how they want you to do it. For each city that you see here, right, what is the X and then what is the Y? You have to locate, you have to be able to know the point, what it is. And again, it has to be in this form, XY. So let's say for Seattle, right? You're going to find Seattle. Where is Seattle? Seattle, where are you? Seattle. This is Seattle. So this is the point for Seattle, right? Now, again, we said it has to be in this form, XY. So we're going to have this. We should have, the first one is your X, the second one is your Y, right? So at this point, what is your X and what is your Y? Well, the point right here is on the X. And what is that X value? Is -5, right? So that means for Seattle, our X is -5. So we have a -5 right here. We have a comma, right? And what is your Y for this point? You see, it's at -5, right? But your Y, this 0 right here is also your Y. So because it's at the X, anytime you have it at the X, your Y is 0, right? So our Y is going to be 0 for Seattle. So that's how we're going to give the location in this form right here. You're probably saying, I really want to do more so I can really get this. Well, please follow me to the... Okay, what about for Denver? Where is Denver? Denver is right here, right? So again, they want us to give the location of this city as an ordered pair, which is this right here, right? First number is your X, second one is your Y. So this is Denver. So for Denver, which is this point right here, what is your X and what is your Y? Your X is what? You come down here, because we know always this line is your X and that line is your Y, right? So when you come at this point, when you come down here, is -2, right? So that is your X. And then your Y at this point, when you go here, is what? +2. So that's how you're going to give this location as an ordered pair. What about Dallas? Where is Dallas? Dallas. This is Dallas right here. So for this point, what is your X and Y? Again, when you come down here, your X is this line, right? So your X is 2. And at this point again, your Y is 1. So this point is 2 and 1. Got it? Alright, let's just do more. Phoenix. That is Phoenix. So at this point, it's Phoenix, right? So what is that as an ordered pair? Well, you always have your X first. What is your X? Your X is -3, right? So you have -3, and your Y for this point is what? -5. So that's how you write that as an ordered pair. What about Boston? So Boston, again, you always start with the X, right? So for Boston, your X is +2, and your Y is what? -5. So this point is 2, -5. Let's do the last one. Alright, so you can really get this, okay? So Atlanta, right? Atlanta, again, we should have X and Y for the other pair. So for Atlanta, our X is what? It's 3. So we have our 3. And the Y is what? It's -2. So this point, we say is what? 3, -2. And that's it. I know you got this.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.